Two people can use the exact same AI tools. One becomes more efficient, the other becomes more valuable. One automates tasks, the other improves decisions that change their trajectory. 6 months later, their careers look very different. The tools were never the advantage, the thinking was. Right now, most people are using AI to move faster. Faster emails, faster notes, faster output. But speed doesn't create leverage. Better decisions do. And if AI is only helping you type faster, you're leaving most of its value untouched. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical ways high-leverage professionals actually use AI, not to automate tasks, but to improve thinking, sharpen decisions, and grow without burning out. This isn't about tools. It's about advantage. Because in professional work, the biggest gains don't come from moving faster, they come from thinking better. Number 1. AI as a decision clarifier. Most bad decisions don't happen because people lack intelligence. They happen because thinking is unclear. Hidden assumptions, emotional bias, incomplete information. Imagine you're considering a job switch, launching a new offer, or committing months to a major project. Everything feels promising, but confidence is not the same as clarity. Before committing, professionals use AI to clarify their reasoning. They ask, what assumptions am I making without realizing it? Under what conditions would this decision fail? What evidence would prove this is the wrong move? AI doesn't decide for them, it organizes their thinking. It forces structure where emotion usually dominates. And avoiding one bad strategic decision creates more leverage than automating 100 small tasks. Number 2. AI as a second opinion, not an answer. High-leverage professionals don't trust their first idea blindly. They stress test it. Most people use AI to confirm what they already believe. AI uses it to challenge it. If they're planning a strategy, they might ask, argue against this plan. What would a skeptical expert criticize here? What risks am I underestimating because I'm emotionally invested? This introduces friction, and friction improves quality. If your idea survives intelligent criticism, it's stronger. If it collapses, you've avoided wasted time. AI doesn't replace judgment, it strengthens it by exposing weaknesses early. Number 3. AI for rapid domain understanding. One of the biggest limits to career growth isn't effort, it's slow orientation in unfamiliar territory. You step into a new role, you enter a new industry. You're given responsibility in a domain you don't fully understand yet. Without structure, learning feels overwhelming. Professionals use AI to compress the early confusion stage. Instead of asking random questions, they ask structured ones. What are the core concepts I must understand first? What common mistakes do beginners make here? What frameworks do experienced professionals rely on? This creates a mental map quickly. Not shallow knowledge, structured knowledge. AI doesn't replace experience, but it accelerates understanding. And the faster you understand the landscape, the faster you can move confidently within it. If this way of using AI feels different from what you usually hear, that's intentional. Most content focuses on tools, hacks, and shortcuts. This focuses on leverage, how professionals actually use AI to think better and grow over time. If that's the direction you're interested in, subscribe. Every video here breaks down practical ways to use AI beyond surface-level automation, without hype and without wasting your time. Number 4. AI for planning and prioritization. Most professionals don't lack ambition. They lack structured prioritization. Too many goals, too many tasks, too many parallel responsibilities. Being busy is not the same as being strategic. Professionals use AI to clarify trade-offs. Given these constraints, what should matter most? If I could only focus on 2 initiatives this quarter, which would create disproportionate impact? What sequence reduces risk instead of increasing it? AI helps convert vague ambition into ordered execution. It forces clarity around constraints, and clarity reduces burnout. Because burnout often isn't about workload, it's about misaligned effort. Number 5. AI for risk reduction. This is the most underestimated use of AI. Before launching something important, professionals slow down and ask, what could realistically go wrong here? What risks am I not seeing because I'm optimistic? What would failure look like 6 months from now? Humans are naturally optimistic and emotionally invested in their ideas. AI can simulate distance. It can surface blind spots and edge cases. Avoiding a major failure creates more long-term leverage than chasing minor efficiencies. Risk awareness isn't negativity, it's strategic protection. None of this is flashy, but it compounds quietly. Better decisions lead to better outcomes. Better outcomes build trust. Trust creates opportunity. Opportunity creates leverage and growth. Two people can use the same AI tools. One saves minutes, the other multiplies impact. The difference isn't access, it's application. Most people never unlock this value because this kind of AI use requires thinking, not copying, judgment, not automation. It's easier to ask AI to do something than to ask AI to challenge something. But the second is where real growth happens. So, if you want AI to actually help you grow, stop asking, what can AI do for me? Start asking, where does my thinking break down? That's where AI belongs. In the next video, we'll look at how professionals turn this kind of AI thinking into repeatable systems so insights don't stay trapped in your head. That's where scale begins. Thanks for watching.